In the final stage of the process, we'll ask you to mark the food patches you'd like to put forward as part of your bid. Now, as with the previous sections, there's a bit of background here on exactly what we're looking for the food patches. And if you scroll down the page, then you'll see the map where we will ask you to mark on the map the exact location of the food patches you'd like to put forward, and a bit of detail about that particular food patch. Now, it's important to remember here that we'll consider each food patch that you put forward as an individual bid. So it's best to put one at a time in, and the system will allow you to put in up to 15 food patches as part of your overall application. So here, I'll click Draw Outline to start drawing the area that I'd like to put forward as the food patch. And I'll double click to finish that drawing. Now, as with the other sections, you can click again the shape that you've just drawn and move these points to make this as accurate as possible, because the system will measure the exact size of the shape that you've just drawn. So once you've finished creating your shape, we'll ask you whether you discuss this with an advisor, and for any comments, there's no requirement to add any comments, but if you do have any, then enter them here. And then we'll ask you for the price per hectare per year that you'd like for the particular food patch that you just entered. Remember, these are 2-year agreements, and this is but this is a per hectare per year that we're asking for. So once you've got a price that you're happy with and you're happy with the location, click Submit. You'll then have the opportunity to either proceed to complete your application or click Add Another Bid. If you click Add Another Bid, the bid that you've just drawn gets rolled up behind this menu here, and if you click this menu, then you can go back and edit that bid again. But otherwise, you can go through and add in an additional bid, and you'll see that the one that I've just drawn here is there in the faded yellow colour. Once you've completed all of them, it's just a question of proceeding to the summary or clicking on the summary here. And here you'll see the details of what you have applied for. Now, we'll then ask you for the maximum number of bids that you'd like to put forward as part of your application, and the minimum number that you'd be happy to be accepted in order to be considered. And once you're happy with that, tell us whether you would like to include a payment for supplementary feeding or for turtle doves. And once you've done that, then click Proceed, and that will enter your application into the auction, and you'll be completed. Any problems, please do get in touch through the Contact Us button, but otherwise, good luck and look forward to seeing your bids.